Welcome to my honest and detailed review of SAP Sales Cloud. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features, functionalities, and user experience of this powerful CRM solution designed to elevate your sales processes. SAP Sales Cloud is renowned for its comprehensive tools that help businesses manage customer relationships, track sales performance, and automate workflows. Starting with the dashboard, SAP Sales Cloud offers a user-friendly interface packed with real-time analytics, giving you instant insights into your sales pipeline. The layout is intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate and find the information they need without hassle. Whether you're managing leads or tracking customer interactions, everything is conveniently accessible. One standout feature is its integration capabilities. SAP Sales Cloud seamlessly connects with various enterprise systems, including ERP and marketing tools, ensuring your data flows smoothly between departments. This integration helps eliminate silos and fosters collaboration across teams. Another significant aspect of SAP Sales Cloud is its AI-driven features. The predictive analytics tool provides valuable insights, helping you identify potential opportunities and forecast sales trends. This can be a game-changer for businesses looking to optimize their strategies and stay ahead of the competition. The customization options in SAP Sales Cloud are also worth noting. You can tailor dashboards, workflows, and reports to match your unique business needs, making it a flexible choice for organizations of all sizes. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. These include guides, tools, and tips to help you make the most of your CRM investment, so be sure to check them out after watching. When it comes to mobile access, SAP Sales Cloud shines with its responsive and well-designed mobile app. Whether you're in the office or on the go, you can access all critical data, update records, and even engage with customers directly from your mobile device. However, no software is without its drawbacks. In this review, I also discuss some of the potential challenges users might face, such as the learning curve for new users and the complexity of some advanced features. By addressing these, I aim to give you a balanced view of SAP Sales Cloud. Overall, SAP Sales Cloud offers a robust solution for businesses looking to streamline their sales processes and improve customer engagement. With its impressive features, extensive integration options, and powerful analytics, it's a tool worth considering if you're serious about growing your business. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and in-depth guides on tools to boost your business. Your support means a lot and helps me create even more valuable content for you.